Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can fix the black screen in your Roblox app or while playing the Roblox game, so you just need to follow me. But before that, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to look for your settings app and just go to your settings app. Now you have to scroll down and select the apps, and now you have to tap on manage apps. And now you have to look for the Roblox app. So once you find the Roblox app, you have to tap on it. Now here you will find this option called Clear Data. Tap on it and now tap on this option Clear Cache. When you tap on Clear Cache, if there's a temporary bug due to which you're getting this black screen on your Roblox while playing the game, you just need to use this method to fix this error. If you're still getting this error, you just need to clear all the data instead of clearing the cache. You can delete all data of the app, restart your app, reopen the app, log in again, and try to play the game. Now your error will be fixed completely. So this is how you can do it. Guys, subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye-bye.